Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a video of my fire alarm. So, we'll get started. As you can see, it's a BT10 fire alarm, and we're going to pull it out. As you can see, it is pulled, and you open it to reset it. Now it's reset. I don't have my fire alarms hooked up yet, but I'll get them hooked up soon. These are all the fire alarms I have. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.